What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Kicks coming at you live from the 340. As you can see here, I have a full car of tires. TLX in front of me right here. Actually pretty nice. A-spec. Oh, he X-Drive. You don't want that smoke though. Kind of looks like a Q60 low-key in the back. So obviously we are going to be swapping the tires on the 340. Currently I'm on the GTs that I just picked up. The tires that came on those wheels is not the right size that I want to run, and not even really the right size to be running on X-Drive. It might be a little bit different for the G20, but at least for the F30s, the OEM tire sizes are around 26 inches. So you want to keep it within like 1% of that for the X-Drive. If it's rear-wheel drive, it doesn't matter. So I already had two Michelin 4S's. And I was just trying to find two more in the size that I needed, but it's like damn near impossible. I hate buying these tires new if I'm test fitting and kind of, you know, figuring it out. It just sucks if you buy a brand new set of tires and it doesn't fit. And then you're cooked because they're super expensive and you're not gonna get that money back. So typically I just buy really good condition used tires, and you know, I just go from there. Some Falcon 660s actually popped up, which is the same tire I'm actually running on the M4, and they're pretty decent. For my power level, rear-wheel drive, they don't really hook the greatest, but as far as an all-around tire, like handling and wear, noise, they're actually pretty good. For all-wheel drive, these tires will definitely 100% work. The only thing is, they're chunky, dog. They're chunky. They've been eating good, bruh. So I compared it to my 4S's and it's like noticeably bigger. I even measured it. I think it was like a 1/4 of an inch wider and a 1/4 of an inch taller, and they're the same exact size. And 4S's are kind of on the meaty side too, so pretty confident the back will fit no problem. The front is going to be very questionable though. I might for sure have to raise the front a little bit. If it doesn't hit the coilover and it clears without the spacer, it'll probably fit. But if I have to put the spacer, it's going to be cutting very, very close. Just in case the front doesn't fit, I brought the 4S's, so I'll just put the 4S's in the front and just have the Falcons in the back, and that's fine. If we can pull this off, I think these tires are going to look insane on these wheels. Do you know how to park, my G? He just said F it. I ain't even... Bro got his license out of a cereal box. I'm about to get me a sandwich real quick because I'm hungry as shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, guys, we desperately need them 40s on here because this thing is too low, bro. This thing's gonna be gone in like a week. That fitment is perfect, though. But yeah, these tires are somewhat too small for the X-Drive. You gotta go taller. God damn. All right, here's what came off. Some little RS4s. Yeah, I guess. Damn, no stretch. Not looking so promising, guys, but it might work. Okay. The Lexo. Alright, guys, so we are golden in the back. The backs work. Like, literally, it fit beyond perfect. The front, it doesn't clear without the spacer. It hits the coilover. So because of that, the spacer is kind of interfering with the fitment. So I think I'm gonna raise the front like a 1/4, see where it sits, and we're gonna try to get these to fit on the front. I'm pretty sure the Michelins will work perfectly, but obviously I'd rather have these all around. I keep raising it, putting the tire back, and it's like not enough, so I'm raising it, putting the tire back, kind of repeating. I wasn't sure if it was gonna fit with the 5mm, but it seems like it is, so that's exactly what I needed. So I'm just gonna raise it a little bit more, throw the 5mm on there, and I think we're golden. It should work. The 8mm was just not happening, so yeah, these things are just freaking chunky. Both sides are even, all matched up. All right, guys, moment of truth. Only close. Might work. As long as it doesn't hit the coilover, I think we'll be good. Literally perfect. Looks so much better on Meteor tires. The back is tits though. Like this is, couldn't get any better. Woo! Chunky. X-Drive, boys. Oh, hopefully this works. Once I move the car around, probably gonna go down maybe a quarter. But I think we'll be alright. We might have some rubbing right here on some dips, but not too much we could do. Maybe just get some camber plates, solve that issue. But my axles should be a lot happier now because I did raise it quite a bit. So probably gonna drive a lot better. Yeah, it's definitely probably rubbing her out right here. OCD is gonna drive me crazy because the rear is tucking and then the front, it has like probably a quarter of an inch it needs to go down. So if I do just get camber plates, a tiny bit of camber would even it out, or I could just raise the rear to match. It definitely looks nice though. Chunky. It makes the wheels stand out so much more. This car desperately needs a paint correction, but I'm gonna wrap it, so there's no point to paint correct it and then wrap it. It's kind of stupid. So yeah, this thing was basically sitting outside for a couple months. I'm gonna see if we could just take some of the camber out on the alignment. That'll bring it to where the front is, because yeah, BMWs don't like to camber in the front at all. All right, so we were able to take a little bit of camber out of the back, and now it's pretty much matched up with the front, so it looks even. My OCD can go to sleep now. So it looks pretty good. Literally like perfect functional meaty fitment. Love it. My visions always be visioning. Boom. There it is, guys. So it's good to go, man. Perfect. It looks hella good. You guys can't see on camera, but it looks good. Damn. Alright, guys. She's back. So far so good. No like crazy rubbing. I think on a few like hard dips it might rub a tiny bit, but I'm used to that. Got a nice chunky ARC compound tire on here now, so car should definitely hook on this setup from a launch. But I don't want to do it quite yet until I have the axles in hand, and then I'm still kind of nervous about the transfer case. I don't know how long that's gonna last. For sure it's gonna go out if I start launching it. So overall feels good. The inner tie rod was giving him some trouble. Shit was like seized up, so took a while right there, but toe is all good now. This thing needed an alignment bad. Damn, these roads suck, bro. I'll do a second gear hit in a minute, see how that feels. On the Michelins, it would spin second, so we'll see how it does now. Oh shit! Damn! Yo! Holy shit! I'm a fucking dead hook. That X-Drive life. Okay, slight rubbing on a turn, nothing crazy. Damn, the sun's bright. Yeah, that little anti-lag was hidden right there.
The very next evening.
What's happening, guys? We made it over here, Young Beamer Plug. They are making some YouTube videos. The Meaties. Yes, sir. Hard, hard. Of course, the orange buckets. Pretty sick. This M4 is so clean. Static. Dumped, bro. On the Meaty tires too. Super clean. The Meaty tires came out perfect. It looks so chunky now. Para tome dag. Alright guys, so we just picked up a few goodies from Beamer Plug. He already had sent me this, the armrest. Already put that on the other day. Very nice, Alcantara, you know what I'm saying, right now I got a little blue button, because this thing is ugly, disgusting. Probably gonna take it off right now, should be too hard. And yeah, we got a few goodies back here. I will let you guys know what we got back there later. And bam, just like that, we got a new button. I was gonna put a red one, but I felt like since I got blue going on, blue theme, why not just put a blue one? Yeah, still getting this in carbon. Needs the carbon door handles. Still need some stuff for the interior. The blue trim, not gonna lie, kind of grew on me a little bit, so I think I might leave it. If I can separate this and put it on the carbon one, then I might just leave it. If not, it's gonna be weird, because then I'm gonna have to just like wrap this black or something, because I don't even know if this just pops off. I feel like it's gonna break. So that's coming soon too. But yeah, man, one thing at a time.